So if you come down to Cocoa Beach, and we're at the
Cocoa Beach Pier.
La Quinta
Best West.
on the left, and Chateau by the Sea is on the right.
Days Inn.
And Days Inn is right behind me. There's a Best Western over here also.
If you park along the outside, you can use their little mobile app where it's $5 for an hour. Inside is $20. I don't know how long that $20 gets you, or flat rate $20 or it's $20.
I think it's for the whole day.
Oh no, this camera's right.
Okay. Go up there. Are you going to stand or sit? Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do they have the cruise ships on there for attractions?
Remember?
You can't walk down the pier. It's
Opens at 11.
11.
Did not know that.
But at least they do have over here. They have little showers, so if you get all sandy and stuff, you can actually shower off. Get all the sand off of you.
You know, ball up.
So volleyball courts down here. It's really hot today. And in this heat, it's a little spot of heaven. See this chair right here? These are the smartest people in the world right here.
Oh, I've seen those chairs at Bill.
Walkie. A lot more people down this area. Probably because
Everybody waiting for the waves.
I'm not trying to get my feet wet today. Not right now. Yeah. Pretty nice. The waves are a lot calmer down here than the beach where we
Than
just
they were
was.
up there.
Because the other beach,
They got baby waves here.
they got bigger waves for surfing. Which is, I don't know, about 5-minute drive down the way?
Yep. Cocoa Beach.
Right.
And as you see, it didn't take that long to get down here.
Nope.